Hi friends, my name is Naveen and welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn Pharmacy. And today in this video we're going to know about a regulatory affairs course which is being offered by a reputed pharma company. So in order to know the complete details, please hit the like button and watch the video completely till the end. And before that, if you are a new visitor to our channel, definitely do subscribe to our channel for regular updates, because in this channel I am going to share you very important information which will help you build your successful career. So today's topic information that I am going to share you is regarding a regulatory affairs course which is being launched by a reputed pharma company, which is nothing but Biocon Academy. So most of you may not be aware of this Biocon Academy. So this time they have launched a course named Global Regulatory Affairs Certificate Program along with in association with JSS JSS University. So let us see the details about this. Biocon Academy have launched a Biocon JSS certificate program in global regulatory affairs, and this is one of its kind 16-week program for pharmacy, guys. This is a 16-week course for pharmacy, biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry and students of other allied sciences in India. Guys, the admissions are open for this course and 60% scholarship on the program cost and 100% interview opportunity. Guys, they are offering 60% scholarship for few of the students. I think here they have mentioned 60% scholarship on the program cost. You can see it here on the screen, and 100% interview opportunity. Guys, they are not saying 100% job opportunity because cracking the interview is within our hands, it's not in their hands. So 100% interview opportunity. They will provide you interview opportunity with most of the pharma companies for entering into the regulatory affairs. Either you are B Pharm, M Pharm, so anything. So you may be a B Pharm or M Pharm. So let us see some of the other details. Here you can see the eligibility criteria, which is B Pharm, M Pharm, MSc Biotechnology, Microbiology, Biochemistry or Allied Sciences. And the minimum criteria, the eligibility criteria is you should have a minimum CGPA of 6.8 or above on the scale of 10, or a percentage of 65%. And if you are working in a pharma industry, it is an added advantage. They are saying that is, if you have 1 year experience, it is an added advantage. And coming to the highlights of this course, guys, this is a 16-week program for pharmacy students, and experienced faculty from Biocon and JSS HR will train you, and hands-on experience on training including Pharma Ready, NJ, Glova, BIT, BLR, CDSCO New Delhi, JSS Hospital Mysuru, and the employee shadowing, pharmacovigilance report 356H and E Sugam. Expert guidance and mentorship and job ready skills with 100% guaranteed interview opportunities. Guys, these are the complete details. So I am reading all the details from my mobile. That's why I'm always seeing down. Guys, they have also provided their contact details in the brochure itself. So they have also a YouTube channel. You can search Biocon Academy. So then you will get the details. All the details relevant to the course. So they have also explained a clear-cut video like how I explain it to you guys. And the final thing is the cost of the course. I think this is a 4 months course, guys. 16 weeks means nothing but 4 months. 4 months. So the cost of the course is 75,000 plus GST. So here you can see it on the brochure, 75,000 for the 4 months. So this is Biocon Academy. You can trust it, and it's worthy. Those who are interested to get into regulatory affairs, this is a wonderful opportunity. Give a call to the number if you really want to join in the regulatory affairs course. This 4 months course or 16-week course. So these are the details I want to share you. I came across this information while reading my Google News feed. So I hope this will be definitely useful to most of the students, those who want to enter into regulatory affairs. So do utilize the opportunity, guys, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned and subscribe to our